Dr. C.N. Manjunath.
My respects to the Honorable Speaker for having permitted me to speak on a supplementary question to number 65. In fact, before taking up that question, my hearty congratulations to Narendra Modi government and Honorable Health Minister for exponential increase in the number of MBBS seats and postgraduate seats and medical colleges in this country. See, my question is, today, road traffic accidents accounts for 13% of deaths in India, which is bigger than cancer deaths. So there is a need to have a polytrauma care center in our country. So I want to know from the Honorable Minister that what is the government stand on establishing a 300-bedded polytrauma care center at National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore North Campus. So this is because we need to deliver a treatment in polytrauma cases within the golden hour. Otherwise, during the transit, a lot of people are dying. Then another thing, is there any proposal before the ministry to have a small polytrauma clinic for every 125 kilometers of national express highways? So these are two things.
मंत्री जी हाथ जेब में से बाहर। एक तो माननीय सदस्य गणों में आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि हाथ जेब में डालकर सदन में नहीं आया करें, ठीक है ना। दूसरा आग्रह करना चाहता हूं, जब कोई माननीय सदस्य बोलता है, आप जो माननीय सदस्य प्लीज, क्यों बोल रहे हो आप मंत्री जी बीच में? क्या पूछना चाहते हो बताओ, क्या पूछना चाहते हो आप? क्या हाथ में जेब में डालने के अलाउ करोगे आप? नहीं, आपसे नहीं पूछा मैंने। दूसरा, जब कोई माननीय सदस्य बोल रहा हो तो कोई भी माननीय सदस्य उस माननीय सदस्य को क्रॉस करके सामने नहीं बैठे, पीछे की जाके बैठ जाएं। जरूरत नहीं आप उनके सामने फ्रंट पे आकर बैठे।
Speaker, another question is, we have Bangalore, we have Bangalore city and Bangalore rural area surrounding. We have 1,65,000 CGHS beneficiaries. For the same size of beneficiaries,
टाइम हो रहा है माननीय सदस्य।
We have 17 CGHS dispensary in Hyderabad as well as in Chennai. But in Bangalore we have only 10.
No. माननीय सदस्य, प्रश्न काल में आप नए सदस्य हो, बहुत वरिष्ठ हो और आप बहुत वरिष्ठ डॉक्टर भी हो, फेमस डॉक्टर हो दुनिया के, लेकिन प्रश्न काल में संक्षिप्त में प्रश्न पूछा जाता है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
माननीय मंत्री।
No, honorable member has done a very good job, very good work in polytrauma, and his suggestion is welcome. And he has given he has asked me to look into it, that Nimhans can think of a polytrauma. Certainly, it's an ongoing process. We'll look into the matter, and as he has suggested that we should have a polytrauma unit on national highways on every 125 kilometers. It's not possible at this point of time, but yes, we have opened trauma units on national highways on different areas, and this is also an ongoing process which you are doing.